Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ranaprava and I am back with another hairstyle video, and in this video I am going to show you how to make easy 1-minute stylish bun with clutcher. Here I show you two ways to make bun with clutcher, and each of them take less than 1 minute. So let's get into this video. At first, make sure that you have no tangles on your hair. Now take equal sections like this and tie up with a rubber band. And now flip it over just like this. Now take your hairs and twist it. And take your clutcher and tuck it up. Take rest of your hairs and twist it couple of times. Now take the hairs and make your bun just like this, and secure the ends under the clutcher. And we are done. Now for the second bun, take your hair, twist it and forming a bun just like this. Now take your clutcher and tuck it. And we are done with the second bun. These buns are very easy to achieve and I am happy with the results. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.